Should the conviction be reversed? The president of a pharmaceutical firm received a report from his testing bureau that a manufactured lot of the firm's anti-cancer prescription medication was well below strength. Concerned about being able to fulfill contractual commitments, the president instructed his staff to deliver the defective lot. A cancer patient who had been maintained on the drug died shortly after beginning to take the defective pills. Medical evidence established that the patient would have lived longer had the drug been at full strength, but would have died before long in any event. The president was convicted of murder. On appeal, he argues that his conviction should be reversed. Should the conviction be reversed? And my mind is automatically going to criminal law. A says no because the intentional delivery of adulterated or mislabeled drugs gives rise to strict criminal liability. This doesn't look like one of those strict liability crimes that you're supposed to know for the bar exam. B says no because the jury could have found that the president's conduct was sufficiently reckless to constitute murder. This answer choice goes along with the call of the question, the word reckless. So if you're thinking about your criminal law definitions, you're thinking about the types of homicide. There's two types of homicide. There's murder and there's manslaughter. There's 4 types of murder. One of those types of murder is depraved heart murder. If you think about the definition of depraved heart murder, it's when the person acted recklessly or had a reckless disregard for human life. So because I see the word reckless, I almost want to categorize this as depraved heart murder. I'm pulling out these buzzwords and kind of matching them to what the question is specifically asking. C says yes because distribution of the defective lot was only a regulatory offense. D says yes because the cancer, not the president's conduct, was the proximate cause of death of the patient. There again, we see proximate cause. Sounds like they're mixing in some negligence elements here, which would go more with involuntary manslaughter, but the question asked about murder. So because of the word reckless, I think that they are trying to say that this is depraved heart murder. If the question is, should the conviction be reversed? I'm going to say no. I'm going to say B. The answer is B. That one could be very tricky, specifically if you don't know what universe you're in. So in a circumstance like this, you would benefit from reading the call of the question first.